Good morning, children. How are you all? All are fine now? I am also very fine. Okay, welcome back to your EVS class. So, before 2 lessons I taught children. So, we have FA1 exam now. So, for that purpose, we have first I will give the syllabus. So, you should note down in your diary, children. So, what is the syllabus for FA1 now? Syllabus for FA1. So, what is the syllabus is there now? Lesson you should write in your diary, children. FA1 page you should write the syllabus. So, what is your syllabus now? Lesson 1 and 2. So, this is your syllabus. You should note down in your diary what is that page? FA1 page. Okay? Next. So, we will go to the lesson, children. So, in this week, what I am going to share with you now? I will read the lesson properly and I will give some words to you. If you know the words, you know how to read it. If you don't know some words now, for example, if any hard words are present in the lesson, you are unable to read it. So, I will read that and again I will give the hard words to you. Based on that hard words, I will give some missing letters for a home task. Okay, so you should do it. So, what is our first lesson? First lesson. So, we will start with our first lesson, children. So, what is our first lesson? What is, you remember that? Yeah, I am growing up. What is your first lesson, children? I am growing up. So, first we will write some words on the board. Afterwards, I will read it. So, first word is living thing. What is the first word? Living thing. Next, second word, human beings. Human beings. Next, third word, adult. Adult. Fourth one, babies. Babies. Fifth one, recently. Recently. Sixth one, newborn. Newborn. Next, toddlers. Toddlers. Next, eighth one, teenagers. Teenagers. Next, independently. 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 Next, activities. 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 Okay, children? These are the words I am going to give to you. So, what are that words? Living things. LIVING THINGS. Living things. Second one, human beings. HUMANBEINGS. Human beings. Third one, adult. 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 Fourth one, babies. 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 Fifth one, recently. 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 Next, newborn. 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 Seventh one, toddlers. 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 Eighth one, teenagers. TENAGERS. Teenagers. Ninth one, independently. 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 Tenth one, activities. 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 So, once again listen. Living things, human beings, adult, babies, recently, newborn, toddlers, teenagers, independently, activities. So these are the 10 words, children. So based on these words, I give some home task to you. What is the home task? Once you listen. Home task. Today's home task. Yeah. Only 5 words, children. Missing letters. Right? Missing letters. So what are that missing letters? Listen, children. You copy it properly. So first word is T dash D D dash dash R S. Second one A D dash L dash. Next, third one N dash W B dash dash N. Next, fourth one D dash B dash ES. Next, fifth one AC dash dash D dash T I dash dash. Okay, so these are the missing letters, children. Once listen. T dash D D dash dash R S. Next, A D dash L dash. Next, N dash W B dash dash N. Fourth one B dash ES. Fifth one AC dash dash B dash TI dash dash. Okay, children. So when I am giving this work, no? So what you do? So you have diary, no, children? We have school diary, no? So in that EVS subject is there, no? So in that you write missing letters every day. How you are in the classroom, no? How you are writing, how you are maintaining the diary. Same like that, you also maintain the diary. You are in the home also, you should maintain your diary. So what are the work I given, no? Write missing letters, no? Write the date and you should write in the diary page, diary column page. We have day and date there, no? So there you should write and what are the work I gave. Okay, what are the work I am giving now? So you should maintain it. So write missing letters, write missing letters. So you should write like that. So what are the words I given now? That based on that only I given the missing letters. How many words I given now? 10 words, no? So what are the 10 words? Given living things, human beings, adult, babies, recently, newborn, toddlers, teenagers, independently, activities. So what 10 words I given now? First what you do? You should read that words 2-3 times. If you don't know that word, ask your parent. They are saying no? Okay. If your parents don't know, then you can see the video properly and you should repeat it. So after repeating that, what you do? You don't know. Those are the big words, no, hard words, no. So first you should practice 2 or 3 times in your rough book, children. First, when I am giving the words, no, what you do? You should learn the spellings of that words. You should practice in the rough notes 2 times. Okay, 2 or 3 times you write. Now you are in the home, no? When you are practicing these words, 2 uses are there, children. 3 uses. You know how to read it, you know how to write it, and you know how to pronounce it. Okay, so write in the rough notes 2 or 3 times. Okay, so after writing that, see the words and again, what are the 10 words I given to you now? From that only I given these words. You write it clearly and send to your WhatsApp group. Okay. So thank you children. Stay safe, stay healthy.